In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment on Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. By the end of this short session, you'll be equipped with the knowledge you need to communicate effectively using Jira's commenting system. So let's get started. First, to begin our journey, we're going to head over to Jira. You'll want to navigate to the Your Work section. This is a central hub that Jira provides for you to access your various tasks, projects, and notifications all in one place. Having a dedicated space like this is incredibly handy for keeping everything organized and for quick access to the tasks at hand. If you're not familiar with the layout yet, don't worry, it's quite user-friendly and over time it becomes second nature. Once you're in the Your Work section, you'll see your projects listed, and from here we can move on to our next step. Now, select the project you're working on. This step is crucial because Jira often manages multiple projects, so it's important to pick the right one where you need to add your comment. If you're working in a team, projects will often correspond to different parts of a broader initiative, or might even stand alone. Selecting the correct project ensures that everything stays aligned and avoids confusion down the line. Once you've selected your project, you'll find yourself within the project view where all the action happens. Moving forward, you'll want to click on the backlog. This is where you can view all the issues or tickets that have been created for the project. The backlog serves as a great tool for project management because it allows you to prioritize work and manage your team's workflow effectively. Think of it as the workspace where tasks are lined up, ready to be tackled. Once in the backlog, you'll see a list of issues or tickets depending on how your project is set up. From here, the next step is choosing the ticket to which you'd like to add a comment. When selecting a ticket, it's important to ensure that it's the correct one associated with your intended comment. Tickets in Jira are highly customizable, offering various fields and statuses to help track progress and changes. Selecting the right ticket ensures your comment lands where it's most relevant and helpful, often facilitating communication and collaboration with team members. With the ticket open, you'll notice various options for actions you can take. For commenting, simply find and click on the Add a Comment field. Here's your chance to provide insight, feedback, or any other relevant information to the ticket. Comments are a powerful tool in Jira for maintaining an open line of communication within teams. They could range from simple status updates, additional information regarding the task, or questions for clarifying requirements. A good tip is to be as clear and concise as possible in your comments to maximize comprehension and efficiency amongst your peers. Once you've finished typing out your comment, the next essential step is of course to save it. Look for the Save button, which is typically placed near the comment box. Clicking this ensures that your input is recorded and shared with the rest of your team. Remember, saving not only immortalizes your comment within the ticket, but also may notify other members who are following the project or that particular issue. Saving is the last step, but arguably one of the most important, as an unsaved comment is as good as not written. And that's it! You've successfully added a comment to a Jira ticket. As you become more familiar with Jira, you'll find commenting to be a key component in maintaining effective communication and project tracking. It's an efficient way to keep everyone on the same page, offer and receive feedback, and track the progression of issues through the project lifecycle. Whether you're assigning tasks or simply keeping track of day-to-day progress, understanding how to manage comments on Jira is a vital skill. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on adding a comment in Jira. We hope you found this guide helpful and informative. By leveraging these simple steps, you can greatly enhance your project management skills and contribute effectively to your team's collaboration efforts. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Jira. Until next time, take care and happy task managing.